How to add a Visa gift card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add a Visa gift card to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the bank or balance icon. It appears on the left side of the bottom menu. This is the money section, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to get access to features related to money. From there, tap this option named Add Money. A menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, as you can see. The menu has several predefined amounts of money. You can tap on them if the amount you need appears here. You can also enter your own custom amount by tapping on the three dots here. From there, go ahead and enter the amount you would like to withdraw to your Cash App account. Proceed to the next step. Finally, you will land on this page where you are supposed to enter your debit card details. Make sure you enter your Visa gift card details here. All this information is necessary. Don't skip any. After that, go ahead and link the card. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add a Visa gift card to Cash App.